So what's up, guys? The day has finally come. It was unexpected, but kind of expected. The truck's going to the shop. Now, comment below if you guys can guess why it's going to the shop. But yeah, it is going to the shop, and here's why. The 6.0. We've been having some coolant leaks lately. Not sure what it is, but since we are having those leaks, I decided to go ahead and do a little preventative maintenance and go ahead and get it studded and bulletproofed and everything. So truck will be heading to the shop. Today's Friday, so it will be going Sunday. Went ahead and picked up a trailer from the near trailer rental place, and yeah, something big enough to put this truck on. We're not gonna be pulling it with my dad's 6.0. We're gonna actually be using my cousin's 3500. Yeah, haha, let the memes start. But the truck's not undrivable. I just don't want to take the risk driving it and messing it up. The shop I'm bringing it to is Addiction Diesel Performance in Houma, Louisiana, and that's about an hour and a half away from where I am now. So I just don't want to take the chance of driving the truck an hour and a half and end up messing it up more. So got a little trailer. We're gonna load it up on there and park it back here until Sunday, and yeah, go ahead and get this all out the way. But yeah, so the studs are not blown. I mean, the head gaskets are not blown. So don't start commenting that, oh, 6.0, it's not. They're not blown. We have a coolant leak coming from somewhere, and I just don't want to figure out where it's coming from or have the time to play around with it. So I've been saving for this day, so might as well just go ahead and get it done. And with all the EPA regulations coming down on all the diesel performance shops and stuff, it kind of makes sense just to go ahead and do it now, get the truck tuned. So before I won't be able to tune it, depending on what goes on with the EPA. My truck is an 06, so it does fall before the emissions and everything, but just in case, they shut down all the tuning companies and stuff, I want to go ahead and get it done. So yeah, the truck does already have EGR delete, straight pipe, blue spring upgrade, upgraded radiator, what else? Updated thermostat, upgraded coolant, degas bottle, and I'm missing something else that I did to it. So really all I need to get done is it's studded, the head gaskets, and tuned. So we'll be without the truck about a week. That's totally fine. Worked it out with my work schedule, so everything's gonna work out. I'm just excited to get the truck back and drive it. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get this truck loaded up. I'm by myself, so it might be kind of sketchy. I'm gonna jack the front of the trailer up a little bit, get that angle in the back a little lower, and yeah, I don't know what size this trailer is, but I need one. I want to say it's probably a 24-foot and probably 8-foot wide, because my truck from outside to outside of the rims is like 7 foot 10 inches, so this trailer has to be at least 8 foot wide. But yeah, it's a little dirty. I'm probably wash that off, because I'm probably gonna wash the truck too. I hate working on a dirty truck, so I'm not gonna bring my truck to someone to work on with it being dirty. So yeah, let's go ahead and get it loaded up. Well guys, I didn't quite think that out. You can see the ramps on the side, and I have to get that one out. So yeah, check out your surroundings before loading a trailer. Well, she's all loaded up, guys, strapped down, cleaned her. She's ready to go. She went from pavement princess to trailer queen, and I gotta say, she's doing it pretty well. Definitely gonna be looking into getting a trailer like this in the near future, so we can do more stuff like this. Got my cousin's Dodge Ram 3500. That's what we're gonna pull it with. She's looking good. Got her cleaned up. I don't like giving anything to somebody dirty, so got her tied down at 4 points in the X pattern. Pretty sturdy thing. I don't think she's going anywhere. Knock on wood or metal. But yeah. Woo! Look at them tails. New one's coming soon. New one's coming soon. But look at them things, man. I killed it on those. But yeah, new ones will be coming soon. Heads will come in soon. Yeah, got her strapped up, ready to roll. We're gonna hook up in a minute and head out. Like I said, this was unplanned but planned for. I had been saving to do this for a while. I was just, prolonging it for as long as I could, so I didn't have to do it, but it's not that I don't think it needs to be done now. I'm just might as well go ahead and do it with everything going on with the EPA. With this coolant leak, I don't know if it's the head gaskets or if it's premature head gasket failure or not, but I'm gonna go ahead and get it done so the headache don't have that, and yeah, just call it a day, be done with it. So yeah, it's the last time you guys are gonna see her. Well, she's gonna look the same, but she's not gonna perform the same, so yeah. SEMA crunch. Headed to SEMA. Making a little pit stop, checking all the straps, making sure everything's still tight. Gonna be hitting a few inclines coming up, so I'm gonna make sure everything's all good, strapped up. Shout out to Wendy's for the pit stop food. But yeah, everything's good. We're gonna keep it chucking. I'm gonna let my cousin give you guys a rundown on what's done in his truck. It is deleted and everything. Tow pig, but yeah, I'm gonna get to it. Homer, Louisiana. Let's get this thing unstrapped and get it down off the trailer. Get a part.
Go ahead. Come on with it. Come on with it. Hold on, hold on. Come on with it.
Well guys, the truck is off the trailer. She's at her new home for the week. Hopefully everything goes well. Get everything taken care of and she'll be back in our hands by the end of the week. But yeah. You guys are in Louisiana and want some work done. Here's their information. Out here in Homer, Louisiana, probably one of the best shops in Louisiana, so it's only right I bring my baby to him. But here's one last look at her for about a week, and hopefully she'll be running and purring like new. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video here. Tow Pig did good. I'll let him give y'all a rundown on what this truck does and has in a future video, but it pulled good, pulled really well actually. But yeah, we're about to head back to the house. I got about an hour and a half, 2 hour drive back home, and we'll catch you guys then in the next video. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment, and yeah, keep tuning in to our videos. Peace.